Think about it. One small click, just press a button and a moment is frozen forever. Most people see photography as just an hobby, something you do on weekends, at weddings, while traveling, or capturing memories with friends. But what if I tell you that the same passion for clicking pictures can actually become a full-time profession? Today, photography is not just limited to holding a camera and taking random shots. It has become a respected career path with endless opportunities. From fashion and weddings to wildlife, product shoots, real estate, travel blogging, and even content creation for social media. Photographers are in demand everywhere. People think it's about creativity, but in reality, it's about technical education. Lighting, framing, editing, composition. Every picture is more than just an image. It's an emotion. It's a narrative. And in today's digital world, visuals aren't optional, they are essential. Whether it's a brand, a company, or an individual, photography makes them stand out. But here's the truth, turning photography into a profession takes dedication. You need a strong portfolio, you need to network, you need to keep upgrading your skills, and above all, you need to treat it like a business. But if you truly enjoy capturing moments, telling stories through images, and experimenting with the visuals, this passion can bring you both personal satisfaction and financial stability. So the next time someone says you, "Ki photography, that's just an hobby." Remember, hobbies can shape career. And with the right vision, photography can become more than just a passion. It can be your profession. Follow us for more such unconventional career options because nobody talks about them. And College Mentor is here to help you. See you in the next video.